2 cans of crushed pineapple, 2 jars of maraschino cherries, 1 bag of my milk chocolate mini morsels, a generous amount of our mini marshmallows, one and a half cups of our nut topping, all right, and that was 5 bananas that we sliced. And for this recipe, we're gonna need our large 16-ounce container of Cool Whip, and I have a ice cream scoop, and we're gonna scoop out our Cool Whip right on top of our pan. Now this is a medium aluminum pan, and this fit all of our ingredients just beautifully in here. You can obviously use a bowl for this, but I think that the pan is just as easy, and also it's bigger than all the bowls I own. But we're just scooping this so that we have it nicely spread out onto our ingredients for this yummy summertime dessert. It is inspired by one of my favorite treats in the whole world. So we're gonna go ahead and just get that all on there. Now for flavoring, I have my large 5.1 ounce vanilla pudding, and this is the instant pudding, and we are just gonna spread that, sprinkle that right on top of our entire pan. This is gonna be so delicious, so refreshing, great for a picnic or a barbecue. And now that we have that in there, we can start mixing everything together. Oh my goodness. It's pineapple, maraschino cherries, chocolate chips. We have the marshmallows, we have the nuts, the bananas. Now I know not everyone loves marshmallows, so yes, you can skip the marshmallows, but I feel like everything else is pretty essential for the flavor palette we are going for. And look how beautifully this is coming together. I absolutely love the scents that are happening here, and I know that this is just gonna be so tasty. So we're just making sure that we get everything combined so that we have all the flavors all in every bite. Oh, and you wanna make sure that you get those bananas well combined with everything so that they don't brown, but we are gonna make sure that this gets nice and tossed. All right, and we are just spreading that into one even layer. It looks absolutely delicious, kind of has some summer colors going on here, but this does need to chill in the fridge. So we're gonna go ahead and put our aluminum pan lid on, and then this is gonna go into the fridge for at least 1 hour. All right, it's finally time to try it.
I'm so excited.
Chillin' and ready. Now, I want this to look a little bit more presentable, so we're gonna grab some chocolate syrup, but now, if you are worried about the sugar, skip this part, but I'm just gonna do a drizzle right on top, and I just feel like a drizzle just makes everything look better. Let me know if I'm wrong, but I think this looks good. All right, it is time to try our banana split sundae ambrosia salad. Yep, you heard that right. Okay, let's dig right in the center because this is my dessert, so I get to eat whatever I want. Ho ho, the bananas. I'm so excited for the bananas. All right, cheers.
Is it good?
Oh my goodness. Wow. That is absolutely incredible. Probably the best dessert salad I've ever made. I mean, this is a must try.